How to make an Interac e-transfer with Coast Capital Saving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll go through a simple guide on sending Interac e-transfer using Coast Capital Savings. So the very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up your Coast Capital Saving app. I've already downloaded it from Play Store. If you don't have it, you can just download it from both Google Play Store or App Store. Then on the login screen, you can just log into your Coast Capital mobile app using your username as well as your password. So let me just quickly head over here and enter my username. And then you can just go ahead and enter your password. Once that is done, tap on the login button down below. And if it's your first time, you can sign up for a new account. Now from the dashboard, you can select the money or the Interac e-transfer option. And then once you have done that, you can create a profile if needed. So if you're sending e-transfer for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a profile with your email or a phone number. Then you're going to have to add a recipient. You can also add a security question if your recipient isn't pre-authorized. So make sure the answer is something only they would know. Some accounts may allow auto deposits, which skips the security question if the recipient is set up for it. Then once you have added the recipient, you can click the Add New button on the home screen next to the transfer field and enter the recipient's name, their preferred language, and how you'd like to send the notification, whether it's via email, mobile, or both. Then you can choose whether to send one-time recipient or a saved recipient, and then the security question. Then select the amount, choose the account which you want to send the money from, and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review all of your details of the transfer and confirm to send the money. Now, after that, you'll get a confirmation screen on your screen, and the recipient will get a notification via email or text. Keep in mind that e-transfer usually arrive instantly, but some may take a few minutes depending on the recipient's bank. And that's it. You've successfully sent an Interac e-transfer with Coast Capital Savings. Don't forget to like, share, and tap on the bell icon to stay updated for more helpful tutorials. I'll catch you guys in the next one.